Baking terms. Here we go. The sign for melt. So I'm going to flip them so you can see my thumbs are on my pinkies, and they're going to move to A's. Melt. Melt. Add. Take a 5, and it normally comes from down here, but you can't really see it. Oh, let me see if I can push so you can see. Add. So I'm taking that 5, and I'm bringing it to a flat O, and it's hitting right here on this bone by my pinky. Add. Add. Sign for cabinet. So you have 2 choices. You can go cabinet or cabinet, depending on if it's an upper cabinet or a lower cabinet. But it's 2 S's that open doors. Cabinet. Soft or no. Sorry, excuse me. You just take your duck hands and open and close them. Dry. Wet. Kind of act like you're going to lick your thumb or lick your finger. Wet. Ingredients are things or food things. Recipe is a food list. So you have ingredients, and some people will, how do I spell that? Some people will finger spell that. Same with recipe, but I do food, especially if it's in a sentence, and then for the recipe. Hang on. Yep. Okay. So the same for cake pan. So you're going to take a C and you're going to cover your non-dominant hand. You're going to pull. Cake. Just kidding. Hold on. Okay, yeah, up top. Sorry. Down below. This is card. You don't want to do that one. So you're going to take a C and you're going to on your hand, and it's going to go completely across. Cake. Pan. I have seen cake and then people draw it. That can be as well, but cake, pan works. I do both ways. If it's on the test, I'd finger spell pan. Cook. Bake. Freeze, that's ice. So freeze, or you can do freeze. Okay, freeze or freeze. Cool. Serve, which would be give. You could also do serve. I don't like to do that. Serve. Enjoy. So you're going to take your dominant hand on your chest, non-dominant hand underneath on your chest, and they circle in. Enjoy. Cup. Teaspoons, TSP. Tablespoons, TBSP. And then for fractions are up to what you want to do. I prefer to do back of the hand when I sign my fractions, but if you want to do forward, front of the hand, the palm out, that's fine as well. It's just your preference, but you have to stick with it. Whatever you choose, you have to stick with it for both. So for example, 1/2, 1/4, 3/4, 1 1/2. Okay, 1 1/2. 2 3/4. Okay, back of my hand stays the whole time. Never am I going 2 1/4. No, it's got to stay either back of the hand or front of the hand. You decide which one. Mine will always be back of the hand. Wooden spoon. You finger spell and then spoon. Sorry, spoon, not soup. So wooden spoon. Pan is finger spell. Cookie tray. Mix. Icing, it's finger spelled. Grease. Sprinkle. Stir. Preheat. And then timer. If I'm going to set a timer or if I have to set the oven, you're going to take a dominant hand on top and it's going to flip to a thumbs up. Set. Set. That's not on the list, but set. Okay. And that is the baking terms for today.